Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen. Today we have a Breville Oracle Touch for in the shop. This is the dual boiler Breville machines that they offer with the, of course, touchscreen and then the automatic milk frothing, but you can also go manual if you pull the steam one up. And it came in for a few issues, but mainly the main one was that the bruised solenoid valve on the machine was acting up. It was buzzing and then also wasn't pushing water to the group head. So we replaced that, and then we also did replacement O-rings on the steam boiler and a tune-up on the machine. And so we descaled both boilers, deep cleaned the group head out, replaced the gasket. As you can see here, this gasket is heavily worn and also sticky. And so we replaced it, deep cleaned the shower screen, the distribution plate that's under that also, and then also did back flushing through the settings. And so yeah, we're just gonna, since the machine wasn't dropped off with a port filter, we're just gonna run water through the group head and then also the hot water tap, and then we're gonna test the steam wand because I also deep cleaned the steam wand quite a bit. There was a lot of milk on there, so I'm gonna do a manual actually just so you can kind of see the steam. There you go. So since you have dual boilers, you of course can do both at the same time. Cool. We're gonna turn that off. We're gonna put it down. It's gonna auto clean itself. And we're gonna quickly test hot water. And you should be getting a steady stream out of there. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.